I really have to do something about my hairstyle. I couldn't agree more, sis. Hey, you're not supposed to agree with me. Oops. Hello everyone, Delightful Dolls here. Quickly before we get started, the weekly shoutout goes to Dolltastic Things. Thank you so much for commenting, and make sure to go check out their channel. And remember, if you'd like a shoutout, all you have to do is comment something nice in my videos. Also, if you guys could click that red subscribe button, that would mean so much to me, because recently we are at 140 subscribers, but it would mean so much if you guys could help us reach 200 subscribers. Also, and lastly, in case you guys were wondering, I made this video because it did win the poll for my last video. And anyways, let's get on with this video. So today I'm going to be showing you a couple different hairstyles that you can do on your doll, which I think are super cute. Some of them are harder than others, but I'm going to be kind of categorizing them, and you guys will kind of get to hear which ones are easier and not, so you guys kind of know. So the first one is this high bun. I just like this one because it's casual and really nice, but I would actually rate this one a hard just because it takes me so many attempts to get it perfect, but I don't know why, but it just takes me so long to get perfect, but it's all worth it. So I start by bringing my doll's hair up as if I was going to put it in a high ponytail, but then I start twisting it around, and then I eventually twist it into a bun shape, as you can see I'm doing here, and then put an elastic over it to secure it. It sounds simple when I say it, but this took me many tries. And this is what the end result looks like. Next up, this is probably my favorite one. It's a high bun with hair still like flowing down, and I rate this one a medium because it's definitely easier than the last bun, but it's still not the easiest. Just start by taking some hair from the top of your doll's head. Try to make it as even as possible on both sides of the doll's head. Then take a little elastic and tie that piece as if it was going to be a ponytail on the top of the doll's head. And then twist that hair and wrap it around the elastic. And then finally, secure it with a clip in the back. Again, this is probably my favorite one. I just think it looks so cute. Next, we have this like ponytail with like a braid as a headband. This one would definitely be a medium one as well. So first, put your doll's hair up as if you were going to put it in a high ponytail, but then take a little strand from either side of the doll's head and keep that off to the side. But first, you're going to tie the bigger section of hair into a high ponytail. Then you're going to braid that smaller section into a mini braid. And then pull that braid over the doll's like forehead area to make it look like it's a headband of a braid, if that makes any sense. Then take a clip and clip it in the back of the doll's head. Then take a strand from the ponytail and wrap it around the elastic to kind of cover it up. And clip that in the back of the doll's hair as well. I have to be honest, the clips are kind of noticeable, but I didn't do the best job with it, but you could probably hide them a little better. But overall, I really like this hairstyle. Next up, we have these double braids that like connect in the back of the doll's hair, which I actually think looks really nice. But I would rate this one a medium as well. First, take a small section of hair from one side of the doll's head near her face area, and then you're just going to begin by braiding that. And then I just put an elastic on the little braid to hold it in place. Then repeat on the other side of the doll's hair and braid it once again. Once those are both braided, take an elastic and connect them both in the back of the doll's hair. This is really simple but cute. Now I also have this braid look. It sounds really simple and it is easy. So first, like a normal braid, separate the hair into 3 pieces and simply braid it. It is a little bit more difficult because the hair is they are in big strands and my doll's hair isn't that long, but it's definitely worth the look. And then you just take an elastic and tie the ends. I also really like how it looks from the front too. And finally, this really super simple hairstyle, but I just think it, again, looks so adorable. So like we were doing the braids, you just take a section from the front of the doll's face area on both sides. And then you're basically just going to pull that to the back of the doll's head and tie it in place. And then I like to pull some hair on over her shoulders, which I think makes it look like really nice. Also, as an add-on, I didn't get the footage for me doing all these braids because I did it a while ago, but I braided my Project MC Square doll's hair all the way around. They definitely could have been smaller braids, and I would rate this as a harder one because it just takes so long to do, but it's so worth it. And I also think once you take out the braids, it would kind of make it like the hair wavy, but I don't know if I want to do that because I just think it looks so good with the braids in like how it is right now. So I just kind of wanted to add that one on in case you guys wanted more ideas for hairstyles. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!